Hey my lovely viewers, welcome back to another unboxing video. Here in this video, I am presenting you my beloved and your beloved and our beloved product, the Stanley open-ended spanner set. This is very compact product and doesn't take large space to keep in our workshop or garage or home. That's cool thing, right? Alright, we now explore it. On the package as specified, Stanley exceeds DIN or ISO standard. Product code is 70-380E and it comes with anti-slip technology. It's high-grade chrome vanadium steel. Coming to backside of the box, we have much more details gonna observe. Double-ended open-end spanner content list is specified here. It's imported and packed in Bangalore, India. Totally we will get 12 pieces spanners in this box. Now it's time to open the box and take a deep look at each one of the spanners. Man, look at this, how cool it's looking, and it comes with hanging option to the wall nail and it doesn't even consume more space. In this video, I will show you each of the spanner with close look so that if you want to buy it, then you will get clarification on whether should you choose to buy it or not. The smallest of the spanner size is 7 mm and 6 mm. Looking at the open ends, which are very different from normal spanners, this is called anti-slip technology they have provided. Coming to the Stanley brand, I don't have any complaint on their world-class products. I wish to own each of their products for my works. Accept the truth that this video is long, but you will see all the details in my video. So make yourself comfortable and watch the complete video before you buy it. You can visit the Stanley website and watch their video on how anti-slip technology works. I have many other bike tools and bike gears unboxing and review videos in my channel's playlist. You can visit and watch it for free. I am a bike service vlogger and I keep uploading how to service your bike on your own without visiting the service center. As always, I advise subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my video upload notifications weekly. Subscribing and giving likes and comments on my videos will motivate me in big way to make much more useful videos for my audience. As per my YouTube analytics, 99.9% of my viewers are not yet subscribed to my channel, but they watch all of my videos. If you have any questions regarding this video, then drop your questions or comments in the comment section below. I will answer each one of your questions without missing. In this spanner set, you will get all the spanners required for your bike service. It's one package for all the works. And this one is the last spanner and biggest size, 32 mm and 30 mm. Main thing is it will not get rust and you don't need to apply any kind of oil while storing. Now comparing to the old spanners, you can see the differences. These are the old spanners made with the local grade metal, which are not quite good and apparently slip all the time whenever I am working with them. If you look at the open ends, then you will notice that there is change in shape. I have also made video on ring spanner and you can find it in my playlist. I will give the link to buy this product from Amazon. I purchased it from Amazon. That's a great tool, right? You will love it once you start to use it. It makes your work very smoother and easier. Let me show you by hanging to wall nail. Because the nail head diameter is big, it's not fitting to hang it. We will keep it back in the box and store it. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. We will meet in the next useful video and I will see you in the next video. Hit the like button, share this video and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.